Here we have the Echo Show 5, which despite the odd naming convention, is actually Amazon's third gen of Alexa-enabled smart devices. But with the bigger and better Echo Show 8 available for not much more in price, is there still a market for the $70 Echo Show 5? In this video, we're going to be going over key features, seeing who this product would actually be good for, how it compares to the competition, and whether it's worth your hard-earned money. We're here to let you know if products are actually any good, and actually worth buying. If that sounds interesting to you, stay tuned, and let's get into the video. The original Echo was a game changer. Now we're up to the Echo Show 5. As an entry-level smart display at a great entry-level price, the Echo Show 5 offers some great features and a great new compact design. You may be just tempted enough to pick up a couple of these to scatter around your home. The Show 5 definitely shows off some nice design chops, what with its compact form factor design. It comes in either charcoal or sandstone. We prefer the sandstone, which we feel gives it a more contemporary look. The display is angled against the wedge-shaped back with nicely rounded corners and is covered in a sleek mesh fabric. The 5.5-inch display is quite bright, with both color and contrast exceeding our expectations. The overall image was extremely crisp. We did notice the display is fairly glossy, which kicked back some glare in brighter environments. The 960 by 480 resolution touchscreen display is not really intended to watch movies. It doesn't have a web browser or YouTube support, so we were limited to some TV episodes from NBC and Prime Video, along with some news clips from outlets like Reuters and CNN. Rounding out the design elements, you'll find 4 buttons on top, 2 for volume, 1 to mute the mic, and a switch that puts a physical cover over the camera. There's actually sort of a hidden 5th button on top of the Show 5, so when the alarm goes off, you can just tap the top to snooze. The audio isn't bad for a single 4-watt speaker. It delivers enough oomph to enjoy your favorite tunes while working at your desk. And if you forget the words as you sing along, you'll like that it displays the lyrics right on the display for all-day karaoke. The Show 5 comes with a 1-megapixel camera, and yes, we were a little taken aback too at first. But we were really surprised how smoothly the video calls performed. Colors were extremely accurate and not washed out. Overall, the feed looked very natural. We think the video calling is worth the price of admission, but of course, the big draw is Alexa. Having a smart assistant with a screen makes it even smarter, or at least more convenient. Smart Assistance here is extremely versatile with visual displays to enhance all your alarms, reminders, notifications, weather, and information, plus all your smart home routines. You'll be able to use Alexa voice commands or just swipe through the fairly intuitive on-screen feature navigation. The touchscreen display is highly responsive. You'll be able to customize the home screen with your desired information to make it more personal. Whether you're adding the Show 5 to your existing smart home or just setting it up, you'll love having the convenience of automating your smart home devices. Options include customizing thermostats, lights, locks, light switches, home security cameras, and TVs. And the list of things that works with Alexa grows daily. Just ask Alexa to add bananas to your grocery list, and when you're at the grocery store, you can easily pull up your list on your phone and check off items. You can even add groceries to your Whole Foods cart, and when you're ready, just open up your Amazon app and check out. What we love about Alexa is the smart home routines. So if you decide to keep your Show 5 bedside, you can create a bedtime routine. As you tuck yourself in, you can just say, "Alexa, good night," and the device turns off all your smart lights, locks your front door with smart lock, and turns your smart thermostat to a night setting. But this is the best part, the perfect nightcap. Your Echo Show 5 streams your carefully curated lullaby playlist as you fall into slumber. Not bad for a $70 smart display. So what's the verdict? Well, Alexa is Alexa regardless of the device. You get the same 50,000 plus skills on the Echo Show 5 as the higher-end Show 8. Although the screen size is smaller, we find the compact size of the Show 5 perfect as a bedside companion. And it's great for kitchen counters and on our desk where space seems to always be a little limited. Plus, since many entry-level smart displays don't have a built-in camera, the bonus of being able to have video chats without always having to hold up your phone or sit in front of your computer is a big bonus. That's all for this video. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, please go ahead and give it a like. If you're new to the channel and you like what we do, consider subscribing. On this channel, we review tech in a simple, straightforward manner for the average person. So if you want tech reviews made easy, be sure to subscribe. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing. Till next time, hope you all have a great day.